B&Q are the UK's largest DIY retailer. We have over 300 shops as well as a large website offering that also includes a marketplace, helping customers buy from millions of SKUs in order to help them make better homes and better lives for anyone and everyone. Our e-com offer is evolving. We launched our marketplace last year and we've now got over 1.5 million SKUs available to customers from over 1,300 different marketplace sellers, and we're constantly having to evolve our proposition to meet what customers want, whether that is speed, convenience, price, as well as our range.
I think in the market it's changing, so we see quite often that customers want choice. Choice becomes a driver for service and is ever changing the market, so by having an application like Metapack, it helps us manage that expectation.
Metapack supports us in finding the right carriers to deliver our products to our customers at a time that they expect. That might be whether it is a one-person delivery parcel that gets delivered to the customer's home, or that might be for some of our larger deliveries where we might need two-person carriers in order to get the right products to the customer.
It's absolutely down to the extensive library that they have. There's pretty much every carrier that's out in the marketplace, so if we want to change, if we want to shift, if we want to bring in somebody new, then Metapack seems to be a go-to library that you can get every service that you need to be able to react to that in the market. They're also a partner with us when we come to complex solutions like the Windsor framework, where we work very closely with the solutions architects to navigate HRMC's complex requirements. I think at the minute we're using quite a lot of the Metapack intelligence, so I've just started looking at the data that's available to help us manage our service requirements. We're working closely with B&Q's carrier team to make sure that that data is useful, enables us to be able to kind of hold our carriers to account and make sure that they're giving us the service that they say they are.